How to change your profile name in Facebook. So let's see how it's done. Once you log into your Facebook profile account, you need to click the account profile image in the top right of the screen. And next, select Settings and Privacy tab. And again, select the Settings option from the menu. Here, on the left side of the page, you need to enter the Account Center section. You will see the Name section in the right side of the page. Click and open it. And in the pop-up window, you will have to click Name tab. And here, you can change your first name, middle name, and last name, which will become the new profile name on Facebook. Make sure you don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters or random words in your name. They won't be accepted as profile names. And once you change your profile name, you won't be able to change it within the next 60 days. Next, you need to click the Review Change button to continue. Again, you will need to select the name you want from the options as your Facebook profile and click the Done button. And done, you can see here, the profile name in my Facebook account has been changed. I will be getting you more videos of different topics like this, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon below the video to get new updates.